Hello, I'm David Chaston with 90 at 9, brought to you by interest.co.nz. This week, get everything you need to know in 90 seconds at 9 o'clock with news risk is on and in a big way today. First, global financial markets are delivering a strong Biden bounce. Equities are up sharply, as are benchmark bond yields. Commodity prices are generally higher and some have jumped a lot, but precious metals have sunk in a very big move. Helping the adjustment significantly is also news that the Pfizer virus vaccine has delivered very promising results. US FDA approval is now expected for this vaccine in 2 weeks. In China, new car sales rose above the 2 million per month mark in October and cementing its status as the world's largest car market. And by a significant margin, the US sold 1.3 million cars in October. A feature of the Chinese results is the sharp growth in electric vehicles, doubling in a year. And China has brought in new tougher regulations for disinfecting frozen and cold chain food imports as part of its coronavirus response. And following China, Taiwan has turned in a very impressive trade result, recording a $7.5 billion surplus in October and far above the $5 billion expected. Exports rose 11%, imports fell 1%. Wall Street has recorded all-time highs today, with the S&P 500 up 3.3% in early afternoon trade. Overnight, European markets rose even more than that, with Frankfurt up 4.9%, Paris up a massive 7.6% in its Monday session, and London up 4.7%. The US Treasury 10-year yield will start today with a very big move, up 14 basis points to 0.96%. As a consequence, their rate curves have steepened sharply. And the price of gold has fallen a massive $92 from this time yesterday, down to $1,858 an ounce. That's a 4.7% drop. And if you think that is unusual, the drop for silver is almost twice that level. Oil prices have jumped higher today, up by a notable $3 a barrel, and are now just on $40.50 a barrel in the US, while the international price is now just on $42.50 a barrel. And the Kiwi dollar is much firmer this morning at 68.1 US cents, adding to last week's sharp rise. That takes it to its highest level since March 2019. The market's fear of tomorrow's RBNZ policy easing moves isn't strong. Against the Australian dollar, we're also much firmer at 93.6 Australian cents, and against the euro, we're up by more than half a cent to 57.6 euro cents. That means our trade-weighted index will start today at 71.1 and near the high for the year. I'm David Chaston. That is 90 at 9, brought to you by interest.co.nz.